Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear Professor Dr. Iketut Sudiaredita MSI and Dr. Karunia Nedianta SIPME, introducing my name is Faiza Eka Fardani with name 1701620093 from the 2020 Economic Education Study Program. I will present the result of my thesis entitled The Effect of Financial Literacy for Safe, Useful, and Easy of Use on Interest in Using CRIS on MSMS Players in DKI Jakarta. First is a background of the problem. The increase in electronic money transaction show as positive trend in the use of digital financial technology. Bank Indonesia launched CRIS as an innovation in the payment system, and its users continue to increase. This has an impact of the business world, especially MSMS. But even though CRIS offers various benefits and convenience, there are still MSMS who have not used it. This can be proven from pre-research conducted on 30 MSMS in DKI Jakarta. The results show that MSMS interest in using CRIS is low, and the level of financial literacy is also the less literate. Next is a literature review. The research used the technology accepted model theory by Fred Davis. The following are some definitions of the variable in this research. 1. Financial literacy. Financial literacy is the knowledge, skill, and belief possessed by a person in managing their finance in order to achieve prosperity and know the product and serve of financial service. 2 is interest. Interest is a person's desire and behavior to keep using a certain technology. The 3 is perceived useful. Perceived useful is how far an individual believes that using technology will provide benefit in doing work and improve their performance. The last is perceived easy of use. Perceived easy of use is the extent to which an individual believes that the use of a particular technology will provide convenience and freedom from effort. The next is framework and hypothesis. Hypothesis 1 is financial literacy has a positive effect on interest in using CRIS. Hypothesis 2, perceived useful has a positive effect on interest in using CRIS. Hypothesis 3, perceived easy of use has a positive effect on interest in using CRIS. And hypothesis 4, all independent variables simultaneously have a positive effect on interest in using CRIS. The next is a research method. This research is a quantitative research with primary data obtained from distributing questionnaires. The sample technique is purposive sampling, and the analytical technique is multiple linear regression. The data is processed using SPSS. The next is analysis result. Instrument test results show that all question items on all variables are valid and reliable. And the classical assumption test results show that data in this research are normally distributed and are no multicollinearity and heteroscedasticity. The linearity test show that the independent and dependent variable have a linear relationship. And this is result of regression analysis. The next is hypothesis test result. T-tests show that all independent variables have a positive and significant effect on the dependent variable partiality, and v-tests show that all independent variables have a positive and significant effect on the dependent variable simultaneously. The last of hypothesis test result is test coefficient of determination. The result show that the independent variable has the ability to explain 72% of the dependent variable, while the other 28% is influenced by other variables not examined in this study. The next is discussion. First, financial literacy on interest in using CRIS have a positive and significant effect in the line with technology accepted model theory from Fred Davis, and in the line with research by Aditya and Mahyuni, Anggraini et al., and Sari and Devi. The second is perceived useful on interest in using CRIS. The result show the positive and significant effect in the line with technology accepted model theory from Fred Davis, and in the line with research by Mahyuni and Setiawan and Brahanta and Wardani. The next is perceived ease of use on interest in using CRIS have a positive and significant influence in the line with the technology accepted model theory from Fred Davis, and in the line with Pratama and Suputra research, Mahyuni and Setiawan research, and Anggraini et al. The last is financial literacy, perceived useful and easy of use to interest in using CRIS have simultaneously positive and significant effect in the line with Fred Davis technology accepted model theory, and in the line with the research of Mahyuni and Setiawan and Anggraini et al. The last in conclusion and suggestion. Conclusion is financial literacy, perceived useful and perceived easy of use have a positive and significant effect on interest in using CRIS on MSMS players in DKI Jakarta. Financial literacy, perceived useful and perceived easy of use simultaneously have a positive and significant effect on interest in using CRIS on MSMS players in DKI Jakarta. And the suggestion is there need to be follow-up related to the development and socialization of the use of the CRIS payment system by banks and the Jackpreneur program, so that the interest of MSMS players to use CRIS increase. That's all my presentation, more or less. I'm sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.